This case law involves a car accident where the plaintiff claimed she sustained injuries when her vehicle was rear-ended by a car driven by the defendant, who was operating the vehicle in the course of his employment. The plaintiff sought summary judgment, asserting that the accident was entirely defendant's fault due to his failure to maintain control of his vehicle. The defendant admitted during deposition that his vehicle struck the plaintiff's car from behind, but argued that the plaintiff stopped unexpectedly. The defendant moved for summary judgment, arguing that the plaintiff did not sustain a serious injury as defined under insurance law, which establishes strict criteria for recovering damages in car accident cases. The court ruled in favor of the plaintiff on the issue of liability. It is well established in New York law that a rear-end collision with a stopped vehicle creates a presumption of negligence against the driver of the moving vehicle. The defendant failed to provide a valid non-negligent explanation for the collision. The defendant's motions for summary judgment on the ground that the plaintiff did not sustain a serious injury were denied. The court found that the defendants failed to meet their burden of proof. While defendant's independent medical examiner conducted tests showing minimal range of motion restrictions, these findings were insufficient to conclusively establish the absence of a serious injury under the law. Consequently, the motions for summary judgment were denied. Here are some practical implications. Rear-end collisions are almost always presumed to be the fault of the rear driver unless they can prove a compelling, non-negligent reason for the collision, like mechanical failure or sudden stops caused by external factors. In New York, proving a serious injury under insurance law can be challenging. Plaintiffs must provide objective medical evidence of significant limitations or impairments. However, if defendants fail to meet their burden to disprove serious injury, their motions for dismissal will fail. If you have been involved in a rear-end collision and sustained injuries, consulting a personal injury attorney is crucial. They can assess whether your injuries meet the legal definition of serious injury and gather the evidence needed to strengthen your case. Conversely, if you are a defendant in such cases, a strong evidentiary showing is essential to successfully argue against liability or injury claims. For the details of the NYC car accident attorney represented the plaintiff, check out the description. Thank you for watching.